Today we're trying over 100 years of sandwiches, including some you've forgotten about and a couple of stinkers you've never heard of. We're starting in the 1900s with a tuna salad sandwich. Let's get stuck in. Back in the 1900s, protein was hard to come by, so leftover dinner scraps like chicken, beef, or fish were mixed with mayo and served on lettuce the next day for lunch. Like today, they mixed tuna with mayo and added additions like onion, pickles, and the ingredient you might not be used to, olives. Give everything a good mix and simply add some lettuce and a big scoop of tuna salad. Let's see how it tastes.
I mean,
solid.
I know olives are really good. I normally don't put olives in it because someone used to not eat olives.
But now I do.
Yeah, it's good. Rating before you bite.
B.
B.
Yeah?
Yeah, also.
It's good. I love a tuna sandwich, but it's nothing special. We can thank the French for the Croque-Monsieur, which emerged as a popular snack for busy Parisians in the 1910s. It's simply ham and Gruyere cheese on buttered and toasty bread, then topped with a beautiful bechamel sauce and broiled to perfection. Perfect.
Yeah, it's nice.
Think of this as a French version of an American grilled cheese. This sandwich gained popularity due to a growing interest in French cuisine during this time and was geared towards home cooks as a comfort food. So how does it add up?
Oh yeah. Maddie's breathing deep, y'all. Dude, a bechamel sauce.
So simple, but really rich.
It is. And leave it to the French to do something right.
Ooh, cheesy. The bottom's nice and crusty. I love this.
This should be on everyone's rotation list of sandwiches they ate.
I know.
Like,
what are you rating it?
S, easily.
That's what I was gonna say.
S tier.
Now, on to the next decade. Coming up, we have what is probably our most unconventional contender, the Chow mein sandwich. This sandwich originated in the southeastern parts of Massachusetts in the late 1920s and isn't well known outside of the area. It became popular due to Chinese restaurants looking for crafty ways to sell to European immigrants. And due to the fact that the meal was cheap and quick, it became popular amongst the working class of Fall River. The chow mein can be made with any protein, and we use chicken here. Now for the taste test.
You ready?
I guess so. Not bad. Honestly, the noodles are a little weird.
I'm not really digging the bun on it.
The bun is so random.
I mean, the taste overall, not bad. I think it could use some white pepper. I'm locked in.
What's yours?
D.
D. I'm gonna go C.
Okay.
It's just kind of weird. The bun's throwing me off. What's up next? We're entering the 1930s, and you know what that means? It's the Great Depression, and times aren't good. Cue the mock ham salad sandwich. What's mocking the ham in this? None other than bologna. It was cheaper and it could last a long time without spoiling. Using every scrap of food was key here, so bologna got mixed with bits of onion, pickle, and even hard-boiled egg. Think what you will of the mock ham salad, but humans, if anything, are industrious during hard times. Now, how's this going to taste? Oh, geez.
The most questionable sandwich so far.
Smells great. Honestly, it's not the worst thing I've ever tasted.
I'm not a big egg person in general, so, all right.
What's the lowest rating?
F.
F? I'm doing D, because it's edible. I'd eat it if I didn't have anything else, you know?
Well, I mean, you could eat a piece of dog shit. It's
Okay.
technically edible.
It's not as bad as I thought it would be. I stand by that.
I'm going F. It's a weird combo, man. I'm just not feeling it.
All right, boys, unbuckle your belts and get the gut ready for every old man's favorite. It's the Liverwurst Sandwich. If you follow the worst portion of the staple name, then trust us when we say nothing can be worse in life than your breath after you eat one of these. That said, liverwurst's popularity is faltering, but it can be found in Midwest and Northeast regions, specifically within German, Polish, and Jewish immigrant communities. Don't be touching all the pieces.
This one. Cheers. Oh, she got some stank on her.
Liverwurst, don't hate on it. I like the bread. I'm going B.
Also a B.
Yeah?
This is up there.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Ah.
We're moving into the 1950s with none other than the Southern classic, the fried bologna sandwich. Many folks might remember cold bologna sandwiches in their lunch boxes as a kid. Southerners had them hot from a cafeteria or diner. A true fried bologna sandwich is simple. Beautifully fried bologna, gooey cheese on white bread with mustard and mayo. How does the fried bologna sandwich compare to the others we've had so far? Oh, I get to Uzi. Doesn't that cheese just look perfect? It looks fake. I mean, it's kind of fake.
It's, yeah.
I'm breathing heavy.
You always are. This blows the weird bologna mock ham salad out of the water immensely.
I was thinking the same thing. Mock salad, bad. Fried bologna, good. When you get the little charred bits of bologna, that's perfection.
Yeah, if there's anything that makes food taste better, it's carcinogens.
Yeah.
I'm going B+.
Ooh.
Well, or I guess B, really. This is simple, but like any day I would have this.
I think I'm gonna go B too. It's not quite A, because it is so like basic. Oh, here's what's going. We're in the 1960s. People are wearing go-go boots. Everyone's listening to the Rolling Stones. Your grandparents are tripping on acid, all while munching on a Cuban sandwich. Cubanos became popular as workers immigrated to Florida, and by the 1960s, Cuban sandwiches were all over Miami cafes and restaurants. Now, what's in a Cuban? It's roasted pork, ham or salami, depending who you ask, Swiss cheese, pickles, and yellow mustard on Cuban bread. The real magic happens when you butter the outside and press the heck out of it, creating a perfectly melty, crusty bite. This one is looking promising, but how's it going to stack up taste-wise? Look at it.
I mean, yeah. So I often pick on people who complain about the bread. But honestly, if this sandwich didn't have a good bread that got that crunchy exterior, it'd be pretty plain Jane. Like, the texture of the bread really does add a lot.
We have regular hoagie rolls, and I was like, we'll just use regular hoagie rolls for it. JD was like, no, the internet will come for us. I think I rate this a B. Like, it's not my favorite sandwich, but I really like the pork. I love the pickles in it.
B. It's very good. I would eat this on any day. It's solid.
It's the 1970s, baby, and we got none other than the Manwich. It's a sloppy Joe, but in a can, which at the time was exciting, I guess, and a great one-pan family meal. Sure, sloppy Joes have been around for decades at this point, but Manwich put it in a can with some snazzy marketing and brought it even more to the forefront of the American mouthhole. I turned my mouth a little bit. Pretty good, though.
You took like the babyest bite by how hot it was. My bite. It's a sloppy Joe. I mean, everyone's had these forever. Where are we scoring?
I'll go B.
I'm going C. Good, very middle of the road.
Now we're on to the McRib, and it's really hard to tell why this saucy boy was conceived. But according to the internet, it was either due to a shortage of chicken or because some executive fell in love with barbecue in Charleston. If you ask us, both of those sound fake, but what we do know is that JD's love for the McRib is not fake. Suffice to say, he was excited for this one, and so was I. I did eat a full rack of ribs when I was about 5 years old, so how could I not be excited? That aside, how does making a McRib at home compare to a McRib that is processed?
Oh, yeah. Ever wonder who the sign's for when McDonald's puts up McRibs back? It's me. These remind me of Hungry Man dinners, the riblet ones. I used to have those a lot, so it's just pure nostalgia for me.
The crunchy pickle and onion.
Personally, S.
I'm gonna go A, because this is high.
All right.
I might be regretting that choice though. It's the 90s, and in the Blue Sky Bodega in Harlem, something beautiful is born, the chopped cheese sandwich. This sandwich is straightforward. It's simple, cheap, and just really good, which is how it became so popular. It starts with ground beef seasoned to perfection, chopped to fine pieces with cheese on a hot griddle. Pile this onto a lightly toasted roll with mayo, ketchup, and lots of fresh veggies. That was an impressive bite.
Thank you.
Damn. All the fresh veggies add a lot.
Yes.
And like ketchup on a sandwich to me sounds stupid, but like it's really good and it totally works and I like it a lot. Would you like me to leave you alone?
I feel like in this moment, having nothing to offer to say isn't of itself saying a lot. S.
Same, I'm going S too.
Yeah, it kind of just took all these cultures and jammed them into one. What's not to like?
We survived Y2K and humanity is on to bigger, well, smaller and better things, sliders. And one place in particular really made sliders popular, White Castle. Especially when Harold and Kumar Go to White Castle came out, making White Castle style sliders here. Simply seasoned with salt and pepper, topped with onion and cheese on a Hawaiian roll with mustard. I love a slider.
Maddie clearly hates hers. All right, scale-wise.
I'm going A.
Also going A.
I know it's pretty high for a little slider, but you can customize them in so many different ways, different dipping sauces. We're in the 2010s, and this decade is marked by the rise of the avocado toast. And yes, we're calling this a sandwich. It's an open-faced sandwich, right? Us millennials shall never forget the infamous article where this millionaire told us the reason our generation can't afford to buy a house is because we keep buying avocado toast. How does our avocado toast compare to all of the other sandwiches we've had so far?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the tomato bite.
Avocado, the cottage cheese. This tomato came from our garden. Proud parents. What the heck is going?
The everything bagel seasoning.
Genius.
S.
Ooh.
Going S.
Going S. I'm going A. Can't quite go to the top, but don't eat mine. Don't eat mine. You're going S.
And you say it's not an S. Nice.
The results are in. The Croque-Monsieur, the McRib, chopped cheese, and avocado toast rank the highest.
What sandwich should we do for the 2020s? Comment below.